In this video, I will show you how to view YouTube watch history on YouTube laptop PC. If there's a video you watched before and you want to find it, I will show you how to do that. Go to youtube.com, log into your account, come over to this left column and push on History. This is where your YouTube watch history will be. Today I watched these videos. Friday, I watched my own video. Thursday, my own video again. On Wednesday, I watched a few shorts. Scroll down and keep scrolling down on this page until you find the video that you are looking for. And that's how you do it, guys. How to see YouTube watch history on YouTube laptop PC.